Well, to give you an update on what's going on with Faith's bed, we're at the 320 level of sanding. We've got, what I just got done doing is I got some water in a spray bottle. I sprayed it down, which would bring the little fine fibers up on the bed. And then I took my 320 grit sandpaper and started sanding it down. This part right here is done. I already sanded this, and I sanded the railings here. So here's the railings on that. The other thing that I found when I sprayed is the type of grain that's going to show up. Now that last bottom 2x4 there, it was something that I had to get from my mom and dad's old building. It was a darker color, and I thought, well, it might look good in there, and it actually does fit in quite well with the bed. But yeah, and this is going to be the front footboard of the front of the bed, the footboard part. So all I got left is a 320. There's Faith. There's Wilbur. 320.
Daddy, when you could be done recording?
Just in a bit. So, and this is going to be the back where the bed is. This is the front. This is the back. And there's the occupant of the bed. What do you think of your new bed?
I want to eat it.
All right, well, that's all for this. Say goodbye, Wilbur.